You made a mess down there, Sarah.
Starting to regret bringing me back?
Never.
I heard about what happened with your friend Tychus. I'm sorry.
He made his choice. I made mine.
Maybe you should have let him kill me. I slaughtered millions as the Queen of Blades.
That wasn't you, Sarah. Leave the past behind, and let's focus on getting out of here. I'll suit up and meet you here in an hour.
Okay. That sounds good.
My ship is prepped and we're ready to go. Heading your way now.
Warning. Dominion forces in sectors 3, 4, and 6.
Sarah.
All personnel must evacuate.
This is Nova. Begin your sweep. Find Kerrigan.
Bravo team, acknowledge.
Sarah.
The killing will never stop. Until Minsk is dead. I'm going to make him pay.
That's enough of that. Get it together, darling.
Bravo team, come in. Are you there, Bravo? All units to Sector 6. Go, go, go!
We gotta go.
Been a long time.
Like riding a bike.
Yep. Like riding a bike.
Jim, do you read me?
We read you.
Kerrigan, I'm glad you're alive, but we're cut off from your location. You'll have to fight your way across the lab to the tram station. That will take you to Jim's ship.
Roger that, Junior. We can handle it.
Ready for action. Heading out. Sweeping. Pushing it.
Back in the saddle. Let's move out.
Marauder ahead. I'll take him out with a kinetic blast.
Hostiles on the right.
On the same page. Right. Worked.
Dominion insertion team! Help us take them out!
Heading out. Sweeping.
Dead end. Let's head back.
Raynor, Kerrigan, this recovery terminal will heal you and restore some of your energy. Good luck. I'm getting out of here.
Looks like this thing is all out of juice.
Covering ground. Those Marines are clustered pretty tight. I should be able to handle them all with crushing grip.
The way is clear. Move out.
Right. Work to be done.
Another wave of Dominion insertion teams incoming.
Look up! I gotcha. Pushing ahead. Covering ground. Where are the Emojins going?
Let them go their way. We'll go ours.
Pushing ahead. Covering ground. Right.
Almost to the tram station. It'll take us right to the shuttle bay.
The corridor is blocked. You'll have to cut through the sublevel to reach the tram.
Sweeping. Work to be done. Right.
Come in, Valerian. The main corridor is blocked. Can you open side door A12?
I can. Be ready, though. The Zerg specimens got loose in the attack.
Yes, I can sense them down there, but I don't think I should control them again.
I won't ask you to do that. We'll handle them.
The door will open in 3, 2, 1.
Too many Zerglings!
On the same page. Work to be done. I gotcha.
Kerrigan, my forces have taken control of the security hub. We're putting this facility on lockdown. Make this easy on everyone, and surrender now.
Covering ground. Pushing ahead. They're trying to trap us.
Come on, darling. We gotta make it through those doors.
Sweeping. Work to be done. Heading out. Pushing ahead. Right. I gotcha. Sweeping. This reminds me of the old days.
My hair's got more gray in it.
And my hair's got more Zerg.
Right.
Sweeping. We made it. Heading out. On the same page.
Keep moving. They're about to seal the area.
I gotcha. Heading out. Pushing ahead. Heading out. An Ultralisk. Let's see how it likes a kinetic blast. Pushing ahead. Covering ground. I gotcha.
It's a mess down here.
We've been through worse together. Right.
Target acquired.
Work to be done. I gotcha.
Lord, woman. How many Zerglings did you make?
Yeah, I may have gone a little overboard. Not getting away. Gotcha. Time for payback. Pushing ahead. Heading out.
Destroy the debris. We gotta reach that door.
Right. Sweeping.
We made it.
Are you surprised?
Keep going. There's only one more door between you and the tram station.
Work to be done. I gotcha. I sense a lot of Dominion in the next room. Covering ground.
Looks like a rough fight.
They have caged Zerg in there. We can use this console to set them loose.
Or we can use it to activate the gas defenses.
What the hell? Who opened the cages?
Now we've got the Zerg to deal with.
Still at even the odds. Let's go.
Pushing ahead. Heading out. On the same page. Right. I gotcha. Sweeping. We made it. The tram is about to leave.
Jim, we're in full retreat. I'm en route to the Hyperion.
Roger that, Valerian. Hail us when you're on the bridge.
Just you and me now, Jim. Let's move out. Covering ground.
The Dominion have breached the tunnel!
Pushing ahead. Right. Sweeping. Heading out. Work to be done.
The tram's picking up pace. Stay frosty, kids.
Right. Heading out. I gotcha. On the same page. Covering ground. I gotcha. Work to be done.
Our allies are being attacked.
On the same page.
We're out of the labs. We're exposed out here until we reach the shuttle bay.
Pushing ahead. Right. Work to be done. Heading out.
Our allies are being attacked. Our allies
I gotcha.
are being attacked.
Covering ground. On the same page. Sweeping. Right. Covering ground.
Our allies.
Pushing
Our
ahead.
allies are being attacked.
Right. Heading out. I gotcha. I can see the bay. We're almost there. Heading out. Sweeping. Work to be done. A siege tank. I can take it out with a kinetic blast. Sweeping. Work to be done.
some kind of heavy mech in the shuttle bay. Move out! We have to hold them off until the evacuation is complete.
Almost there. Let's follow these guys to the shuttle bay.
On the same page. I gotcha. I gotcha. Pushing ahead. Covering ground. Heading out. Covering ground.
Archangel in position. I've got the shuttle bay secured. All Dominion forces, push forward.
Jim, the Archangel is between us and your shuttle. Jim!
Damn it. Sarah, I'll find another way to you.
Well, you better hurry, or I'll kill this thing without you. Work to be done.
Engaging the enemy.
Sweeping. I gotcha. Right.
Target's locked. Drop the pods.
Pushing ahead. Covering ground. Heading out. Sweeping. On the same page. Work to be done. It's a good time for a kinetic blast. Right. On the same page. Pushing ahead.
Drop pods incoming.
Covering ground. Heading out. Sweeping. Heading out. I gotcha. On the same page. Covering ground. Hurry up, Jim. I think another wave is incoming.
Sarah, I'm cut off. I can't get to your location. Take my ship and go.
We just found each other again. I am not leaving you behind.
Raynor, Kerrigan, I'm on the Hyperion. We're setting course for the rendezvous. What is your status?
Kerrigan is taking my dropship. I need extraction.
I understand, and I'm sending a team for you.
Do not screw this up, Valerian.
Kerrigan, I'll see you at the rendezvous. And I'm sorry I didn't listen to you sooner.
It's too late for apologies, Valerian. Jim, I'll take your ship. But if you get yourself killed, you're in huge trouble.
Yes'm. Noted.
Jim, Dominion reinforcements are arriving. The Hyperion is taking heavy fire and my team can't reach you.
Roger that. Get the Hyperion to the rendezvous. I'll find another way off-world.
See you there.
Nova?
Well, well, Jim Raynor. If you'd helped me with my Tosh problem, I might have looked the other way while you got out. But you chose poorly.
All right, Blondie. Take your shot.